Our Chinese lesson today, we will learn how to ask someone's surname and how to answer that question. And we also learn how to ask people's name. So this lesson is a basic speaking in Chinese. You have to know all. So let's start our lesson. And before we learn how to speak, ask and answer the question, we have to learn some vocabulary first, so that it will be easy for you to remember to speak that sentences. Now let's start together. The word xìng, 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 xìng. It means surname or be surname. If it is a noun, it means surname. If it is a verb, it can be surname. The second word is shénme, sư ân sân, shan, mo a ma, shénme, shénme, what? Shénme, what? Cơ, elder brother. Cơ, elder brother. Jiào, jiào, to name or to call. Míngzì, mo in ming, míngzì, name. Míngzì, it means name. So the first one, the word xìng, it means surname, or if it is a verb, be surname. Shénme, what? Cơ, elder brother. Jiào, to name or to call. Míngzì, name. So now let's start our lesson by ask the question, what is your surname? So in Chinese, we use 你姓什么? 你姓什么? 你, it means you. 姓, it means surname. So 你姓, it means your surname. 什么? What? 你姓什么? What is your surname? 我姓王. 我姓王. 我, it means I, but the sentence when we use with xìng, it means my surname. Because the word xìng, it means surname. So 我姓, my surname. 王 is the name, is the surname of a person. So 我姓王, my surname is Wang. Okay? And when we want to ask what is her surname, so in this sentence it's really similar to the sentences that we have learned this moment. So we just change the word 你 to the word 她. 她, it means she, but 她姓. When we add with the word 姓, it means her surname. Okay? 她姓什么? It means what is her surname? 她姓张. 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 Zhang, it is a surname of a person. So when we want to say someone's surname, especially in Chinese, it's only one word. And the word Zhang and Wang is really popular in China. And Chinese people really like that name. And if we do not have the surname in Chinese, we can also use Latin language. We can write down like that. So we say 她姓张. So if we want to say about someone's surname, we just 她姓 and we put the surname here. So that you can use the sentences yourself. After you learn, don't forget to practice speaking yourself. And when we want to ask what is the teacher's surname, so we put 老师. 老师姓什么? 老师姓什么? So if you want to know about someone's surname, so we just change the subject here. If you want to ask the girl, we use 她. That means she or her here. And if you want to ask about the surnames of the teachers, you have to put the word teachers here. Okay? So 老师姓什么? It means what is your teacher's surname? When we answer, 老师姓陈. 老师姓陈. The teacher's surname is Chen. Okay? So we just change the subject here. because the question it asks about the teachers, so we have to answer with the word teachers or teacher's surname. We just put the word teachers and surname, it will become the teacher's surname like that. Okay, everyone, it's not very difficult to learn in Chinese. It's nothing that is difficult to remember. There's nothing any complicated grammar here, so it's just simple thing that you can learn to speak to ask about someone's surname. So now let's learn how to ask someone's name. So if you want to ask what's your elder brother's name, so the word eldest brothers, 哥哥哥哥哥哥 elder brother. 你哥哥 it means your elder brother. 叫什么名字？你哥哥叫什么名字？你哥哥叫什么名字？ What's your elder brother's name? So we put 你哥哥 and the word 叫什么名字 to ask someone's name. So we just change the subject here if we want to use or we want to ask others people's name. For example, 你哥哥 like that. And if we want to ask about the other people, for example, your name, ask about someone's name. Or for example, what's your name? We just put the word 你叫什么名字? If we want to ask someone's mother's name, we just put the word mama here. Okay? 你妈妈叫什么名字 like that. What's your mother's name? Okay? We just change the subject so you can use it in your daily life to ask someone's name. And when we answer, his name is Wang Xiaohua. It means 他叫王小华. He 他叫王小华. It means his name is Wang Xiaohua. So when we answer, we use like this, 他叫. Okay? If we want to ask about your name, so you have to put 我叫. Okay, like that. We just change here. I want to tell you to make question yourself with the other sentences because we learn to ask someone's name in our lessons only your brother and your sister here. But if we want to ask someone's or other people's name, we just change the subject. It's not really complicated. I just want to try to tell you in order to make you learn how to speak yourself in other circumstances and when you need to use other people like that. So 他叫王小华. His name is Wang Xiaohua. And when we want to ask what's your elder sister's name, so we just change the former question here. We use 哥哥,你哥哥, your elder brothers and your elder sister. We just change brother to sister. We have to change 哥哥 to 姐姐,你姐姐, your elder sisters. 你姐姐叫什么名字？你姐姐叫什么名字？你姐姐叫什么名字？ What's your elder sister's name? 她叫李小玲。她叫李小玲。Her name is Li Xiaoling. I hope that you can catch up with this lesson. Thank you everyone. If you like, don't forget to click like and subscribe my channel to get more videos to learn together. Goodbye.